using the Hillyard Cleaning Companion for low moisture cleaning and disinfecting restrooms. Get ready to clean. Put on gloves and safety glasses. Fill with cold water. Check the chemical refills. Only use Hillyard Cleaning Companion refills. This ensures proper dilution rates. Other products can compromise cleaning results, create safety issues, and cause damage by either over-diluting or under-diluting concentrates. Make sure the cleaning companion is fully stocked with supplies and tools. Place wet floor signs. Microfiber dust from the top down, dust air vents, partitions, mirrors, and dispensers. Sweep and collect debris. Now it's time to apply Suprox D. Suprox D is a hospital disinfectant with the cleaning power of peroxide. Select Suprox D. Set the spray nozzle for low pressure application. Apply Suprox D to mirrors, sinks, urinals, toilets, walls, partitions, and any high soil area. Spray walls and partitions from the bottom up. Let the disinfectant dwell while checking and refilling the dispensers. Squeegee mirrors and countertops. Microfiber wipe sink fixtures. Detail wipe the toilet fixtures and seats if necessary. Squeegee access solution to the drain. Microfiber detail the floor.